Oh no, police. चलो चलो से पुलिस को फोन वोन मारथिला हमको धरी होगो आसियो बोधे. Welcome back to another video guys. I am Biswajit and you are watching 2 Men 2 Bikes. तो पिछले वीडियो में आपने देखा कि I just did my first paid servicing and बहुत सारी चीज़ें उसमें चेंज हुए मेरे गाड़ी में. So the bill was a bit hefty and लॉकडाउन में बहुत रिलैक्सेशन मिलने की वजह से हम लोग के दोस्तों का ग्रुप ने डिसाइड किया है कि हम कल एक शॉर्ट राइड के लिए जाएंगे टू पुरी-कोणार्क which is about 70 kilometers away from भुवनेश्वर एंड होप कुछ पंगा ना हो जाए पुलिस के साथ. हमने चेक किया है दूसरे राइडिंग ग्रुप्स तो अब जाके सेफली वापस आ गए हैं. सो आई डोंट थिंक देयर शुड बी एनी प्रॉब्लम. आई विल मीट यू स्ट्रेट टुमारो ऑन द बाइक. So finally all the riders are here and today's lineup is my Duke 390, a Dominar 400 and a Pulsar 200 NS and Apache RR310, and the riders are on the Apache it's Anshuman, on the Pulsar 200 is Kalpesh, and on the Dominar is Ranadhish and it's me Vishwajit on the Duke. Now it feels really nice to hit the highways after such a long time. It's been almost 60 to 70 days that we hadn't ridden our bikes in the lockdown 4.0. There are quite a few reliefs given, but we are maintaining our social distancing from other people. We are using mask when we are taking off our helmets, and we are being as cautious as possible because we have to learn to live with corona for now until and unless we find a vaccine for it. Okay, the first checkpost. I just hope nothing happens here. There are police. Okay, they are not stopping us. Okay, no problem. When we see the police, it actually frightens us a little bit, because you know a lot of videos that got viral of the police beating the shit out of people who were coming out during the lockdown, and that's the reason that we never came out of our houses to ride our bikes until and unless it was essential. And currently we are just coming out because the lockdown has eased up a bit.
ये गाड़ी 50 गियर 130 जाए मन नहीं 110 शहर राइड हो ना
So Kalpesh is facing a bit of trouble on his bike, and we are suspecting maybe it's because his pressure is low or his chain is too tight. So let's see. Anshuman is riding his bike at the moment. Oh no, police. Social distancing. रहिला माने छाती कौन हो जाऊँ टेंशन रे छातीटा कौन आसला आसला लाइट जाओ पागटा भल लगी हाँ एबे मु गाड़ी हाइट ठीक लगला चलो चलो से पुलिस कौन फोन वोन मारता आमको धरिया को आस बोधे मुझे कहली पुलिसटा फोन वोन मारता आमको धरिया को आस बोधे चलो
I think the girls with their nails done now.